Let's begin with the slip knot, the starting point for many crochet projects. We will first watch a demonstration of how a slip knot is created, and then we will break it down and create a slip knot together. As you can see, you pick up the yarn leaving a slight tail, form a loop, hook the tail, and pull it through the loop. By pulling the tail through, it allows you to use the tail to tighten and loosen the loop.
Hey, I just wanted to pop in and remind you not to worry if your slip knot isn't perfect at first. It takes practice. You got this.
Thanks for the reminder, Charlie. Now let's make a slip knot together. Pick up the yarn in your dominant hand, leaving a tail of 4 to 6 inches hanging down. Form a loop by crossing the working yarn, the section closer to the ball of yarn, and cross it with the section closer to the tail end. With your finger, hook the tail portion of the yarn and pull it through the loop to create a knot. You want the tail of the yarn to be what you use to tighten or loosen the size of your knot. And there you have it, you have made your first slip knot.
Hey guys! Great job making your first slip knot. Practice making slip knots until you feel comfortable. Remember, it's all about getting the hang of it.
As you are practicing, don't forget to take a moment to check your work. Use the rubric provided in the assignment to evaluate your progress and determine if you're ready to move on to the next section. When you are ready, we will see you in the next section.